Good morning, Saugus. I'm Cayden Rosehaley, and today is Friday, November 8th.
And I'm Kaysen Markoff, and this is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd let you know what the difference is between bravery and courage.
Both bravery and courage are acts of valor and imply a certain strength and fearlessness. There is, however, a subtle difference in meaning between the two words.
Courage comes from the French word coeur, meaning heart. It is a quality of a character that allows someone to carry through a difficult and premeditated plan of action.
Bravery, on the other hand, comes from the Spanish word bravado, meaning a single or spontaneous act of valor. It is not planned, but rather a knee-jerking reaction that occurs within a crisis.
Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
There will be a mandatory meeting in the NPR next Tuesday for juniors and seniors enrolling in dual enrollment classes. Forms will be handed out and must be returned to Ms. Kunda on Thursday, November 21st.
Sadie's tickets are now on sale in the ASB office for $25 with an ASB card and $30 without. The dance is included in the dance pack.
The counselors and Mrs. Dahlquist are hosting Career Planning Night on Tuesday, November 19th at 7 p.m. in the NPR.
See your counselor if you are interested in taking a COC class here on campus next semester.
Theater will be performing their fall play, Shakespeare in Love, November 13th through 15th at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Pre-sale tickets can be purchased in the ASB office for $8 for students and $10 for adults. Tickets will also be on sale at the door for $10 and $12 respectively. Now let's go to Owen Gatlin with your sports news.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Owen Gatlin with your sports news. Boys lacrosse will be holding tryouts for new players on November 12th through 14th at Central Park from 3 to 4 p.m. No experience is necessary. Stop by the athletic director's office for more information. Baseball tryouts will be held November 12th through the 15th. Interested athletes should report to the baseball field immediately after school and bring proper equipment for their tryout. For more information, contact Coach Grissom or stop by the athletic director's office. Boys tennis tryouts will be on November 21st at 3 on the tennis courts. See the athletic directors for more information. Girls softball tryouts will be on November 18th through the 21st at Central Park at 3:15 p.m. If you are not a part of the fall softball classes and plan on trying out, see Coach Archer in the room R1807. That's all for me. Now let's go to Lexi Reynolds with a quick and delicious chicken noodle soup recipe.
Hello, I'm Lexi Reynolds, and we are going to be making quick and easy chicken noodle soup. Let's check to make sure we have everything for chicken noodle soup. We're going to need half a pound of chicken breast, 4 cans of chicken broth, 1 can of vegetable broth, egg noodles, carrots, celery, onion, butter, dried oregano, dried basil, extra virgin olive oil, plus salt and pepper. For cooking the chicken breast, we're going to need a baking pan. Then preheat the oven to 350 degrees. For seasoning the chicken breast, use salt, pepper, oregano, and basil. Now to the other side. Oil the pan a little bit. Then put the chicken breast on top. And then pour the rest of the oil on top. Then put the chicken breast in the oven. And set a timer for 30 minutes. Clean the cutting board after using the chicken. Now we're going to start chopping our celery, onion, and carrots. Saute all the vegetables for 5 minutes. Once the chicken is cooled down, you can chop it so you can put it in the soup. Looks good. That's all for me. Hopefully this has inspired you to cook with unprocessed foods at home and to make your own dishes. This has been Lexi Reynolds reporting for SNN.
Be sure to try out this recipe when you are feeling hungry. UCLA will be presenting on November 15th in Q1715 during second period. Only senior students interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein in Q1715 at lunch. Spots are limited.
The 2 state winners of the CIF Scholar Athlete of the Year Scholarship will receive $5,000. The 20 section winners will receive a $1,000 scholarship. Applications can be found at the website listed below and are due February 10th.
The Huggable Supermom Scholarship is a $1,000 scholarship for seniors that are supported by single mothers. To apply, you must be a graduating senior who has been accepted to a university, vocational, or technical institution in the U.S., be a U.S. citizen or permanent legal resident, and must be a child of a single mother. The deadline to apply is December 31st. For more information, to apply, go to the website listed below.
That's all for today. I'm Cayden Rosehaley. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today. And don't forget that there's no school on Monday due to Veterans Day.
And I'm Kaysen Markoff. Have a great day and a great 3-day weekend. We will see you on Tuesday.